Now, mechanics have been using impact tools forever, and that what's happening is as it turns around, there's a set of hammers that hammers to the next, to the next, to the next. You'll hear that tat, 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 tat. And what that does is it actually makes a stronger impact, a stronger hit, without having to spin up as fast of the chuck or this area. It also doesn't cam out as easily, so if you had a lot of torque and you were trying to do this and you're doing it continuously, it could actually, you know, take the edge of the bit off. These tend to hold a little bit better. Another neat thing about this impact driver from Craftsman, the V20, is that you can push this out to release it, but you don't have to push it out to install, which is an improvement over other brands. You just push it in like that and it's installed. It will not come out, and then you pull this collar back and now it does come out. So that's one quick thing you can do to make this super easy. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this birdhouse here, and I'm going to go ahead and drill a very small hole right here without drilling into my desk. And I'm going to switch tools now, and I'm going to put the Phillips driver in, and I'm going to go ahead and put the first screw right in the bottom. And the reason I'm doing this, and it's not in much at all, is just to give myself something to hold on to. Now we're going to attach the bottom with screws, and part of the reason for that is we want the ability to remove the bottom out of this whenever we want. So to do that easily, I'm going to go ahead and drill where it's likely to split, which is on these very thin edges. And drill 1, 2, I'm going to come to this side, and I'll do the 3 and 4. So there's only 4 screws that are needed for this whole assembly. There we go. I'm going to remove that bit. I'm going to put the new bit in. Now I can use this screw right here to hold it as I'm putting this together. I am going back and forth, you know, from removal to forward. This does have the same integrated light that the regular drill does, but it is an impact driver. It's only a 1/4 inch, so you have to have 1/4 inch tools, and they do have to have this little notch for it to hold, otherwise the tool will come out. So some of my screwdriver bits do not have that. They can't be used with this. One other improvement I would like to see, so it has too small of a changer over here, and it's very plasticky feeling. The rest of the tool feels great in the hand. I'd love to have a little bit holder on the side. It doesn't have that. It's got the VersaTrack mount, but I would love to have a bit holder so I could go back and forth. As you're seeing, I'm having to leave these down. So that would be an improvement they could make. So I'm going to go ahead and put this here. I'm going to use this and hold it at the depth that I want. There we go. Grab another screw. And then I'm going to take this one back out because we don't need it anymore. Now you can go ahead and adjust these. Back, there we go. And then I'm going to put the last one in here, and we now have a birdhouse. I'm going to sand off that side